Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Jini Dosa, a easy and a delicious dosa variety which is an ideal evening snack or a breakfast recipe. The end result is a fusion of sweet, sour, spicy, crispy and a cheesy goodness in your mouth. Let's look at the ingredients we will need. Some dosa batter, butter, finely chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander leaves, chutney powder, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, and some cheese. Heat a pan on low flame. Sprinkle water to lower the temperature of the pan and wipe off the excess water with a cloth. Pour a ladle full of batter on the pan and begin to spread the batter in a circular motion and make a neat round circle. When you see the top has cooked, spread some butter evenly over it and cook on medium flame. Now, let's begin with the stuffing. Add in some chopped onions, followed by chopped tomatoes and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add in the chutney powder. You could also use bhaji masala or the chaat masala over here. Szechuan sauce. Add it more or less as you prefer. And finally, add in some tomato ketchup. With a spatula, mix everything well and spread the stuffing covering the entire dosa and cook on medium flame for a minute. Finally, sprinkle the cheese directly on top of the dosa and we are done. If you are using a non-stick pan, transfer the dosa onto a cutting board and then cut the dosa into 3 or 4 pieces with a pizza cutter or a sharp knife. And roll out each piece into a neat roll. And our delicious Jini Dosa is ready to be served.